Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your Snapchat not working error. Now there are various ways in which you can do this. I'm going to guide you through those ways one by one. So let's move on to our first method. The first method is to just simply find the Snapchat app on your phone. So you can either search for it or scroll down and find the Snapchat app and then long press on it and just hit the uninstall button. Now once you've uninstalled this application, you can go to Play Store and search for the Snapchat application and then just install it. Now moving on to the second method. The second method is to check for whether your app is up to date or not. Now to do this, all you have to do is open up your Play Store again, hit the search bar again and search for Snapchat. Now once you're on this page, you'll see the update button if your app is not up to date. So if you see the update button, just press on it and your Snapchat will be working. Now if those two steps also didn't work for you, the third and the most effective way is to clear all the excess data and excess storage from your Snapchat application. So to do this, you'll have to find the settings option on your phone and then click on it. Once the setting opens up, scroll down and find this apps button. Once you've clicked on this apps button, you'll be redirected to this page. After you've been redirected, click on this all apps button. Now you can scroll down and find the Snapchat or just search for it, Snapchat, and then click on this button. Now there are three options in front of you: open, uninstall and force stop. If your force stop option is active, just click on it and it will close all the actions related to Snapchat. And now you'll have to click on the storage and cache option. Once you've been redirected to this page, if your clear cache option is active, just click on it and then close all the applications from your phone and open up Snapchat again, and your Snapchat application will be working in no time. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe to Tutorials Point for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.